Oh, you exited that way.
Got a little
I vlog.
Oh, is that
We're at Safeway. Now to get some firewood.
This is a fire log. But we also need to find a fire starter.
I thought we were just getting some twigs.
Well, we need actual fire logs too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my god, Hot Wheels! Look!
Before. Let's see, anything cool?
Any good ones?
This one's pretty cool. I have one.
Pretty
I have a
cool.
similar one though already. So it's kind of pointless.
Okay, we came here to do something.
We'll get back to that in one
Let's
moment.
focus on the mission.
I agree with you. Sorry.
Ooh. What is it?
Porsche 928. Pretty sick, eh? This is also a fire starter. This is like
Should we get it?
this fire load. Lighting instructions. I think we should get this one. Get a little better. You got some food? You recording?
Yeah, I am.
Oh. We got the fire starter log and the firewood.
Oh, yeah?
Show them what you got, bro.
Oh, shit.
Okay. I see the vision. I'm just gonna go.
Use what? Oh, this?
Like, look at that.
We could use this.
Grab onto my shoe.
What? You?
Grab onto my boot.
Oh! Oh, yeah?
We have two people who made it. You guys got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Gonna have to hop a little here.
Hop. Go on. You got it. Perfect.
So we just set up this thingy. Good job, Sarah.
Thank you.
Hello, Lauren.
Oh.
Okay, I learned this one in 2016.
Wow.
Oh, never mind.
Oh shit.
The killer is escaping.
Ooh. Okay.
Oh, I'm turning it on right now.
I'm recording all of this.
Stop hitting me.
Like you always do. Oh! That big boy.
Lauren with the big log.
Lauren Pro excavator.
Don't get a splinter.
I'm scared.
What splinter? Really?
Wait, load Kirk? Can I genuinely? I can stand on this.
Physics be right.
Please don't.
Dude! Wait!
Architecture, bro. Nice.
Architectural genius right
Does
there.
it need a fourth one or nah?
You have to light both ends. Can you do that from this angle?
Yeah, I should be able to.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Good luck.
Do you want to do it? Who wants to light it?
That's all you, bro.
you don't want to
I
light
don't
it?
want to light it.
You want to? You light it, Lauren. You go. Here, it's purple too.
Ooh, okay. I'm scared.
I'm
No
gonna
one
get.
else wants to light it? Oh shit! Wait,
I'm-
oh man.
Let's
Wait,
do
let me
it.
take this
Go, Lauren.
off. Is it gonna be like?
No, I think it'll light slowly.
Okay. Wait, how
I'm
do
really
I grab?
scared.
Why?
I've done this before.
Yeah, don't say that. Well, then I'm the one who's gonna like light it.
Nice booty.
Oh, thank you, bro.
Oh, bruh. Where's the first one? Oh.
I think you do the corners.
Can
Yeah.
you get the? I'll just give you the light.
Okay, yeah, sure. I'll get the other side.
Oh, nice.
Okay, I think that's enough.
You think? Is that one
That's enough,
catching?
that's enough. That's enough.
What if we put some in the center too?
Okay.
That's enough. Okay, sweet.
Nice.
Okay, hopefully.
Whoa.
I don't think we should put this one here.
Why?
It's like a taquito.
Lumpia. Is that big one supposed to be like fully in flames?
I don't know.
Or is
Maybe
the
we should
paper
watch the
almost?
video. We have the internet to our disposal.
Do we
Or
need more
like-
like bushy stuff?
Oh yeah, throw that in. Nothing alive though. You know, Eric is
Good idea.
Thank you. Oh, nice.
Like this?
Yeah, that's pretty good too, I think that should work. I don't know. No, we're cooking!
Oh.
What does OM mean?
Oh my god.
out of memory.
It's
Oh.
0.
Good job. Pretty good.
It's mad nice right now.
Look at all the sticks I got.
You don't think we have enough sticks?
Wait, we can use it as like,
Kindling.
yeah.
I think that's more than enough, low
Okay,
key.
good.
Marshmallow covered strawberry. I'm gonna do that.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna test another one.
Okay, I think this is good. Alright. Look at that.
So
Wait,
yummy.
turn it so I can see like the inside.
Ooh.
Ooh. Okay.
I'm gonna eat it.
This angle is so awkward. Yeah, go.
Mmm.
Any thoughts? Yum.
Pretty good. Mmm. Yum. Got your s'more?
I did.
Oh, this one is really mushy and nice.
Yeah.
Chomp.
Oh, dang.
Dude, the sky is so nice. So nice.
Let's start twerking.
I'm getting smoked right now. Help. Nice fruit.
Thank you, bro.
My camera can no longer capture much because there's not enough.
Lights.
Yeah,
Okay. Whoa.
that is pretty cool.
So cool.
Boy Scout. Oh my god, dude.
I'm sorry.
You relay.
Tried so hard. Sad.
Alright, I'll come help.